Here we have a broken tongue and groove board. It's a little bit trickier than an overlap, but here's a quick tutorial on how you can fix it. Start by removing the corner framing pieces with a screwdriver to give you access to the boards. Tap the existing nails through the broken board into the framing behind it. Use a blunt metal tool such as a screwdriver or a bolt. Once all the nails are fully tapped in, the board should slide right out onto one side. This can be a little trickier depending on the weather though, as damp conditions can cause the wood to swell. Use a block to gradually tap the board out completely. Since the wood in this shed has expanded, we're going to remove a second board to help make things easier. Slot the first placement board into the panel and nail in place through to the framing. The second board should now neatly slide along the recess. They may still take a little tap here and there. Make sure the ends of the boards are flush with the rest of the panel before nailing into place. Remember to coat your new boards with some protective wood treatment to prevent rot. Reaffix the corner trims and your job is done.